chance, but for now, I gotta go. And I am below freezing point right now, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. And as I leave the beach, let me show you the videos of hizo zile boats zinatoka hapo hivi French zinatoka hapo France na England, right in front of me. Inajiita Irish what? Irish ferries, yeah. So actually ni ferry. Irish ferries. It's coming from somewhere in France heading to the UK. And then also tuko na ingine pale mbele. That's number 3, the other side. And there's a 4th one huko mbele, I don't know if you can see it. And a 5th one, then a 6th one. Then there's a 7th one, then there's a 8th one, 9th. Kuna ingine huko pia mbali, 10th one, bro. Ni mingi sana. But this is the nearest iko hapa. And yeah, but it's just a stone's throw. It's very, very close. Right there. I don't know if I wave, if the captain can see me. Let me wave at the captain. Yay, captain. Naona na kufanya flag ya white kwa hivyo. Alright, there you go. This is the shortest distance between UK and France. Sure is about milesa gongana. Look at that, almost karibu gongane kidogo. Oh, nah, man. I think the person riding is a biker, not a mountain climber. He's up on a bike up on a very good one. And yeah, this one here, this one, a very good car. I think our car is the smallest. What? Look at that. Yeah, so I think it's time to cook chapati. See you in the kitchen. So here basically I'm just trying to connect the fire. We have gas, methane gas, and a tripod and a pan, and I'm just trying to connect and create a fire so that I'll be using to cook chapati with. And it only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to fix it, and the fire is very hot and it doesn't smell, does not pollute the environment. It's environment friendly, it's green gas, so that's what I'll be using. And we are good to go. Alright, so another 10 minutes, then we start ile process. Man, nimeganda mpaka mdomo sisi ongea ile process ya kukanda chapati. So alright, see you in the next 10 minutes. Okay, let me check for the water if it's ready. Oh, there you go. Maji imechemka, so I think it's ready for a minute. Tutazima hiyo moto off, then switch off the gas so that we don't lose a lot of gas in the air. And oh, that's hot. Alright, nisaidie na nini? Nisaidie na kitambaa. Here you go. Get the whatever. Ooh, it's hot.
You know what they call me? They call me Chef Chicco. I'm the best chef when it comes to cooking chapati. So first of all, I am burning the chapatis. Then I use fire. I use the oil after I've burnt them. Then, so let me bring the oil. So due to lack of plates, I use this. My chapati, then I have my oil in here. Once I start this, I'm almost doing in 2 minutes. I'm done. This is doing very fast. Somebody's looking at me. Invite them, tell them to come over to eat. Go ahead and invite people, man. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh man, it should be enough. I think next time we do camp life, we do van life. If you can't cook in a place like this, we cook a lot of chapatis and then invite people to come over, right?
Yeah, that's a very good idea.
Chapati and beer, you can go together. Show them clothes, show them how these chapatis are, man. That's how the chapatis are, bro.
I think people will think that these are pancakes.
People think, man, this is not pancake, this is chapati.
But people don't know these things.
That's why they should come and have a taste. And one of them is looking at me at the window. I mean, she's seated literally at the window and she's checking me out. And we are almost done. That's how you cook chapatis. Cooking chapatis in France. I mean, who would have thought? I'm in a parking lot by the beach in France and I'm cooking chapati. Bro, this is amazing, bro. This is amazing. That I tell you, kwa bucket list yangu. It wasn't even on my bucket list. I'm cooking chapati in France by the beach. There you go. That's how we cook chapatis. I think we're done. See them?
Mm-hmm.
That's how we are done cooking. And alright, so hizo chapati tutakula na beans hapa. Hizi tuko na njahi. And then tuko na beans za mtaani hapa. Hizo ni zitawa elimu. So that would be stew for supper. Then plus chapati. Then those are our neighbors. Wanasikia tu harufu ya chapati. But apparently some of them wameshalala. Majority actually wamelala. But time now is 8:30. And I am the chef. Call me Chicco. Enjoy the meal. Tuonane baadaye.